Hello, Kenneth. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
With pleasure.
I'm practically speaking on quality risk management in cleaning validation, so it's a generic topic, quite practical.
That's perfect because it is exactly the topic of the conference.
Cleaning validation, as we know, is covered by guidelines, but there is not much detail on how to apply the guidelines, so I will try to merge the quality side of things. I'm a QA manager as well as with one company, so the quality side, quality requirements, together with the practicability, applicability of it in an easy way, so that things can be applied, not just in theory or on paper, but more a practical tool. More than that, I would like to deliver as well that with satisfying these quality requirements, we are also improving the efficiency and putting also a business benefit as well together with it. So it's both benefit both sides, the business and the quality side. Definitely, it's here. It's very nice networking, meeting with experts in the field. Most of them I have met before. I went with through other conferences or elsewhere. So it's always nice to exchange ideas and learn from each other. I believe a lot in learning from each other's experience, not just our own.
That's amazing to hear. Thank you so much, Kenneth. Enjoy the conference.